guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix this Instagram problem where it says it's time to close Instagram. You can use it again after 11:59 p.m. So this has been the issue a lot of us have been facing on Instagram, a lot of people, and they seems not to know how to fix this. So this problem can be fixed either ways. So it might be as a result of bug and glitch in the Instagram server. So how do you actually do this? First thing you have to do is close off the app, and you want to click down on YouTube on Instagram just like this, and you can see that eye icon right there. Click on that and it's going to take you to your phone settings. So once you get here, the first thing you're going to do is click on force stop. So once you click on that, the second thing you have to do is open up your storage right there, and you have to clear the cache, clear the data as well. So bear in mind that it might result to logging you out of your Instagram account, as the case may be, once you clear up the data. So after doing this, the next thing you have to do is you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and you're going to search for Instagram. So once you search for Instagram, you're going to check if Instagram have any updates, so you have to update it. So once you update it and the problem still persists, the next thing you have to do is uninstall it and install it and relog in again, and it's going to be perfectly fine. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.